Hello, my oil friends. My name is Caroline Lee, and welcome to Essential Oil Highlight. Today, we are going to be covering the doTERRA oil Marjoram. And it's also known as a winter sweet or the joy of the mountain. Marjoram was known to the Greeks and the Roman as a symbol of happiness. And now, marjoram has been also used in culinary dishes, imparting a unique flavor to soups, stews, dressings, and sausage. Now, in Germany, this herb is known as the goose herb for its traditional use in roasting geese. In modern applications, marjoram is valued for its calming properties and its positive effect on the nervous system when taken internally. Now, it also supports both the cardiovascular and the immune system when ingested. Now, this does get the scent of marjoram oil, which I have right here, is going to be warm, herbaceous. It's very woody. Now, it comes from the stem and the leaf of the plant, and it is sourced out of Egypt here from doTERRA. Now, oftentimes marjoram gets confused with oregano because they have a lot of the similar properties, but marjoram has more of a sweeter flavor than compared to oregano. So how you can use this oil 3 different ways: aromatic, topical, and internal. Give you a few examples. Aromatic, you can combine it with lavender in a spray bottle and spray down your bedding before you go to sleep, so it helps relax you as you're falling asleep. You can also diffuse it when studying to stay relaxed and focused. So definitely a good alternative to like wild orange and peppermint if you use that while you study, or lucidia when you study. That's a really good one too, but marjoram is great for that. You can also take it internally. Now, when cooking, because we're used to cooking with it, just a little fun fact about this: marjoram is a gentle fragrance, so you can easily lose that while you're cooking. So I would suggest that you use it towards the end of your cooking when you add that. And 1 to 2 tablespoons of the dry herb equals about 1 drop of the essential oil. So if you're going to substitute that into it, just know that that comparison. You can also add it to a warm water for a marjoram tea to help calm down the nervous system. Now, when using it topically, you can apply 1 to 2 drops to your desired area, diluting it with a carrier oil to minimize any skin sensitivities. But you can rub on a child's feet before they go to bedtime to help have a calming effect on them. And you can also use it as a pre and post workout oil for recovery and to avoid the calming down the muscles, so for soreness, or you can use it if you've had a really long day. You can massage that in as well. Now, marjoram, you can buy this through your back office. If you're a wellness advocate or a wholesale customer, you can add this to your LRP. That's the best value and the best savings, where you can earn points and really make a whole lot of a difference with that. But you can order a 15 milliliter bottle. For the wholesale price is $19. And the retail price is $25.33. So if you currently do not have a wholesale membership with doTERRA, please reach out to the person who invited you to watch this video. Or if you're not working with somebody in particular, reach out to me. My name is Caroline Lee, and you can find me and message me through Facebook or through my YouTube channel. As always, keep watching. I will have more essential oil spotlights and online classes available through this YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day. Take care.